Oh.
Hey Holly,
Yes, Fred.
what are we doing today?
We are placing plants. We're in Lake Oswego,
Yeah?
and yeah, just getting everything out. This whole area here used to be all. This used to be This used to be a hedge here, but all of it was pretty much grass, you know, coming down here. So we added the nice big paver steps here, and this is going to be a black gravel walkway to another set of steps. So it's a nice. I like it. It's much better than coming down on this grass area. It looks. I really am happy with it. It looks great. And this is going to be just a small little grass patch for their doggy, for 2 dogs or 2 Havanese.
Oh.
Yeah, like ours. Yeah, beautiful view. So this is what we're doing again today. Where are these?
That's what we got here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Gotta call Rue.
What about these ones?
My gal at All Seasons. Hey, it's me again. Did I forget to order Cornus Kelsey-eye? I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 1-galloners. They weren't on my list? Okay. That's fine, whenever you can do it. Oh, we can get it. Sure, that sounds great. And then it'd be really nice to have an ETA on the Austin roses. She loves that apricot one. Yeah, right. And then I need those Gabriel Oaks too. The David Austin Gabriel Oaks. Same time. Okay. Okay, I can't believe I forgot that one. Okay, all right, thank you. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye. So then we have Rachel. Then we have an extra Wolfeni eye, which that's not a problem. Those are easy.
Yeah.
You know, we could even put maybe just one right there.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I kind of like them coming around the curve still.
Yeah,
so
me
we
too.
Can maybe still have it.
Yeah, and then we can always find a room for grass.
Yeah, I mean,
That's easy.
do a little switching, but let's leave this here for now. And
Okay, so I really clustered the orange, but that's it right there, right? Another orange. Okay.
there's
Okay.
Okay, ready? What are you guys doing today, huh?
Well, we're placing plants again.
Everybody, ready?
Yep.
We're what?
Placing plants. This is Ryan Pillar. I just used Miller last time.
Oh, did you? Okay.
She just got married. And this is Rachel Adams. They're my 2 design assistants. And we're placing plants.
Where are we at?
We're in Lake Oswego.
Cool.
Yeah, it's beautiful out here. Did you show them the lake, baby?
I did.
All right.
All right. Well, you guys get to work.
Okay. Yes, we will. I'm not a tour.
Okay. Yeah, I think at this point we need to.
Why don't we replace that?
So there are 3 little.